Hi, today is 9/7/2021. So what was happening in the morning? Let's see. Okay, if you look at ES, okay, we have been falling down in the first 30 minutes, 30 minutes to 1 hour. Yeah. Okay, so over here we were falling while Tesla, Amazon, even Apple, they all were going up. I had put stops in Snap and Square that got stopped out, but you can see, okay, that the techs were going higher, whereas the ES, even the Nasdaq, was selling off. So because of that, I thought so that it can slow down, the tech can slow down, and that is what happened, and that is the reason, rather than me chasing here, um, even though there was a trigger, Tesla was on my watch list. The speed with which it did this first 5-10 minutes and then just stopped, I thought it's okay, it's better to go with the spread than go with directional. And so I have a call spread with Amazon, call spread with Tesla. Snap and Square got stopped out. Now Airbnb, it gapped up above the average volume weighted price, okay, the anchored volume weighted price, and now it is going higher. If it can close like this strong, it can easily go to 170, okay, easily go to this 170 price. So that's where I am looking at. Then now I have Moderna. Okay, Moderna, I saw a lot of action, but more than that, it just broke. Okay, this was the resistance, and it broke above that. It fell, it came down, it did not even take the 50%. Okay, this was a big candle on Friday. It pulled back, but it did not even go to 50% of that, and now it broke out. So the next level is around this 450, right? 445 is the area that I'm looking at. Now how did I come at certain things? Okay, this is the volume profile. For that, I'm looking at the hourly, and I'm looking at the hourly over here, and I'm seeing, okay, this is more like just a drop, so not much volume was traded there. So this is where it can just come and just, if it goes above this 434 price, you're looking at it going to this 452. Okay, the only thing is that around why 445 is one I was thinking about, is because this is where there is some volume here, right? So this was the previous thing, it broke out there. So if it can take out 434, the next up is around this 442, and then we are looking directly at 452. That's what I am looking at, okay, for Moderna. I have Airbnb, I have Moderna. Then I posted SoFi, okay, I posted SoFi, and it is looking at, it wants to fill this gap up, okay. That's one. What else I have seen? Okay, Path. So today Path has its earnings. So what I'm looking at, okay, it's a growth speculative play. Now if I had this as a stock, this is the IPO price at around 65. Okay, so it's at the IPO, it has been consolidating just below the IPO price since July. Okay, so since beginning of July or so, you can say that it has been in this consolidation below the IPO open. Now earnings can make two things happen. It goes to this at around 70-72, okay, test this 72-73 area, or it comes to this 50 area, right? So if I have a stock already on it, it depends on the amount of stock I have. So what I would do if I was having this, I would reduce my exposure half, and then, okay, by reducing my exposure half, I have reduced my risk by half. Then what I would do, if I am still bullish, I would be buying the 70-75 or 70-76, okay, 70-76 call spread, okay, or 65-70 call spread, either of those, okay. Or if you don't, just, yeah, something like that, or directly take the 85, calls in January 2022 to compensate for the half that I sold. That way, if it gaps up, right, I am participating. What if we gap down? So that is the reason, rather than me buying a collar where I'm selling calls, keeping my stock, and buying puts for protection, I am doing something that I'm more comfortable. Rather than just looking for insurance, I am reducing the exposure by half, and then I would buy a call or a call spread to participate in the upside. And I would, if it goes down, now that I have half of my capital that I sold and I have it in cash, if it gaps down, I am able to buy there, okay, or sell puts there to be able to dollar cost average. So that's what I would do for PATH. Now Tesla and Amazon, I am just going to keep it for this week. Moderna, yes, that's where I'm chasing right now. Today, industrials, okay, all the industrials are falling like crazy. You can see ITW, Deere, then you're looking at, this is like pretty crazy, 3M, Honeywell, all of them are falling. So I don't know, this seems like rotation to me as of now, but let's see what it does. I would be expecting, what I am thinking of doing is tomorrow, if it gaps up a little bit, and then I would sell it again. Now it's been too much of a gap and too much of a down move already. So that is what I'm looking at today. Any questions, let me know. Okay, thanks.